The list of ingredients will be written down right at the end of this video.
Welcome back sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Happy Sunday everyone! Good morning, and welcome back to Tita Ching Kitchen. Ngayong umaga ay gagawa ako ng, ito na siguro yung pinakamadaling na noodles na gagawin natin. We call it stir-fried egg noodle. Ito ang ating mga ingredients. Mayroon tayong mga about 80 grams of sutanghon, yung ating tawag natin na sutanghon. Yan. Konting cabbage. Yan. Mga kalahating cabbage lang. Mga about 150 grams. At maliit na carrots, which we cut it into strips. Three eggs. Mayroon tayo dyan about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of green onions or spring onions. 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay, pepper to taste, ground black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a half of chicken cubes. And of course, ang ating olive oil na panggisa. Okay, let's get started. luto na. So, iset aside na lang natin. Guys, ito na ang ating stir-fried egg noodles. So, eto na ang ating super easy na stir-fried egg noodles. Kung gusto nyo po itong gayahin, guys, I will write it down all the ingredients right at the end of this video para mas madali nyo lang siya screenshot kung gusto nyo siyang gagayahin. At mayroon na kayong listahan pag kayo'y namalengke. Okay, so guys, I hope you like it, and see you soon in my next video. Bye everyone!
Thank you so much for joining me in my premiere. Now let's welcome my channel members. Please do connect and support to all of them, as they are all very legit and very supportive. Thank you very much. Bye. Watching. See you soon in my next vlog. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.
Today's video